I tried every popular way of making sheera, and most of them failed, too grainy or too sticky. But today I'm going to show you the right way to make the perfect sheera every single time. Welcome to ChefNTaste. Let's get started. We begin with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let the ghee melt on medium flame. Now add in 1 cup of mixed nuts and give them a good stir, coating each nut evenly in that golden ghee. This slow fry in ghee, rather than oil, is what gives the nuts a rich, deep flavor, rather than just a simple crunch. Fry until they turn a gorgeous golden color. Watch for that color change. The moment they look golden and smell nutty and toasty, take them off the heat. In the same pan with the leftover ghee, add 1/4 cup of Kismis or raisins. Look at how golden brown and fluffy they become. That puffiness means they've absorbed the ghee and become perfectly plump and juicy. Take them off and keep them separate too. Now add another 2 tablespoons of ghee to the pan and bring in the star of the show, 1 cup of Chiroti Rava, that's fine semolina. This is a crucial step. Roast it on a low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly. You're looking for it to dry out completely. The moisture must go before we add any liquid. You'll know it's ready when it turns very lightly golden and releases a beautiful nutty aroma. Keep the roasted rava aside. In a separate pot, pour in 2 cups of water. Did you know my videos are available in multiple languages? Your preferred language: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, French and more. Now here's a little secret. Add a mixture of 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of milk. The milk adds a lovely richness and creaminess, while the turmeric gives sheera that signature warm golden color. Let this boil. The moment it's boiling, add in the fried rava or semolina from the previous step. Stir immediately and continuously. This prevents lumps from forming. The hot liquid hydrates every grain of semolina evenly. Mix until all the water is fully absorbed and you see the rava pulling away from the sides cleanly. That's your green light for the next step. Now stir in 1.5 cups of sugar. The sheera will loosen slightly as the sugar melts. That's completely normal. Keep stirring on a low flame until the rava becomes completely soft, smooth and well combined with the sugar. While the sheera is soaking in all that sweetness, here's a thought. If you're making this for any festive occasion, why not pair it with a batch of beautiful modak? You'll find the link at the top right corner. Now we add ghee. And we do this in 3 stages for a reason. First, 2 tablespoons of ghee, mixed thoroughly. Then another 2 tablespoons, mix again. And finally, 1 last 2 tablespoons of ghee. Adding it gradually allows the sheera to absorb the fat slowly, giving it that glossy texture you just can't achieve by dumping it all in at once. Almost there. Add 1 tablespoon of elaichi or cardamom powder. Now add in the fried nuts and raisins that we set aside earlier. And there it is, your perfect Rava Sheera is ready. Look at that color, that shine, that texture. Now garnish with crushed almonds. If this recipe made your mouth water, give it a big like and share it with someone you'd love to make this for. Subscribe to ChefNTaste for authentic Indian recipes every single week. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a delicious dish. Until next time, happy cooking!